Hello guys, what's up? This is your boy Sumit Charismatic. So this year we would not be seeing any full-fledged game of Pro Soccer 2021. But why this is happening? Because Konami is currently focusing all the resources and time into a new next-gen game which most probably would be coming by next year. And this year the game which we would be getting would be a mere carbon copy of the last year game. Yes, there would be some updated squads, team, but that would be only an updated patch and nothing exciting, nothing new can be seen. So today Konami has released a trailer, and they have announced that, and I quote, this title is being developed with an updated engine that will enable us to dazzle you with staggering improvements to all areas of the game. Expect more realistic player models and animations, enhanced physics, photorealistic visuals, and much more. And also they say, and I quote, however, the sheer scale of everything we are aiming to achieve for our next gen debut has made it necessary to pare back our efforts in other areas of development. As a result, we have made the decision to launch this year's PACE as a streamlined offering in the form of a season update. So mere season update we would be getting with the new version of the game which would be coming by this year. Updated squad, updated team, nothing in terms of graphics would be changed. And they say that, that being said, we are still extremely confident that this year's game offers fan more than enough thrills to tide with over until our next gen title is ready for launch. That I highly doubt, because if you are giving just a season update of the game, nothing is changed. Just we can see updated squad, team members. That is only thing which we will be getting this year. So this year's for all the fans of PACE, nothing change would be awaiting them. But as reports suggest, they are working on a new Unreal Engine, and they're trying to upscale the graphics. And you know, their official competition is FIFA, EA Sports, and they're trying to compete with them. And this is their own master stroke in that they would be introducing next gen technology, Unreal Engine, and photorealistic visuals. Currently, they are working on that. So this year we would not be seeing a typical fight between FIFA versus PACE, which we have seen for so many years, that has given the excitement to all the football fans out there. So this year that excitement would be definitely missing. But next year the trailer and the Messi which we are seeing is so photorealistic. I'm imagining that this is the real Messi, but no, this is the in-game Messi which you will be seeing probably by next year. So that is the level of detailing they are currently working on in terms of player, in terms of movement, in terms of all the game physics currently they are working on. So in terms of this year, it's a disappointing news, but in terms of next year, the news is quite good regarding all the PACE fan. So that's why technically Pro Evolution Soccer 2021 is not coming this year. I hope I was able to convey why I said like that. So with that, we have come to the end of this episode. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it. And if this video really helped you, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button. And if you want to join the future of gaming, join the button and click on the subscribe button. See you on the video. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Take care. Keep gaming.